become a zero waste city. And we, together with the Wuppertal Institute, help the city of Munich to become this zero waste city. No, we were just waiting for the others to get the stuff. Those are the ingredients you need first. And you open this, but I will explain that later to you, just by pushing in the middle. So you have to push in the middle and then you can open up. First we start with the deodorant. So you need the Stark and the bicarb soda right now, and this little pill box. So we will start with the coconut oil. It's in this pill box. And we already mixed some essential oil in it, so it has a little smell.
But here in this box, it's like 2 spoons. So we take everything.
Yes, you take everything out of the box. Okay, if you have done that, you take the Stark. It should be in one of those packages, those small ones. You need 1 teaspoon of Stark. And if you have mixed that to that one, you take the bicarb soda, and that should also be like 1 teaspoonful, and you put it in there too. If you have Stark at home, you can use it as well. It's for the texture basically. The deodorant itself will work with those 2 ingredients. Because the coconut oil has lauric acid inside, and which is antibacterial, and the bicarb soda neutralizes sweat.
Can I use a little water?
I wouldn't use water. Is it too thick?
Yeah.
It should get, when it's a little liquid, it should get better. And you have to maybe try to, if you have this bowl, try to make it at the edges of the bowl.
Can we eat this?
Well, it all has ingredients that you can eat basically, yes, so it has nothing toxic inside. But I'm not sure if it really smells or tastes like. No, you shouldn't.
So the idea is that at the next physical event we all smell the same, right?
Yes. That was the idea. Okay, if you have mixed it, and if you want to use the deodorant, keep it in a kind of warm place, not too warm, because the warmer it gets, the coconut oil will get liquid. And you just need a little bit, like tip on the finger, and just put it under your arms, and that's enough for the whole day. And it washes out easily out of clothes. I'm using it every day. My boyfriend is using it every day, and I'm using it since like 1.5 years or something. And I think it's better than like sometimes the natural or bio deodorant. There are a lot of different brands, but I think most of them don't really work that well. So I got disappointed sometimes because it's pretty, like one deodorant with just natural ingredients can cost up to, I don't know, 10, 14 euros. And then if it doesn't really work, it's really disappointing. And you can make this one pretty quick. And most of you will have the ingredients at home anyway.
Actually, because it's oil, right? It's somehow a little bit waterproof. It's not directly washed out because you need a little bit of soap to wash the oil out.
Yeah, but you won't put much under your arm, so it's really just a little bit. And yeah, you need some wash detergent to wash it out, but that should get easy. Hey, do you have any other questions?
How long will it last if you store it? Will it last for months, or do you need to use it immediately?
Yeah, it will last a little bit, so that as long as the oil is good. So I think it has an expiring date after 2-3 years. It will get a little greasy, but usually it should last. Yeah, and if it gets too liquid, you can also put it into the fridge. Then it gets really hard immediately, since coconut oil just changes its texture by heat or by coldness. So you can just keep it in the fridge, and then it will be quite stable, because you have the ingredients like as I said, the coconut oil and the bicarb soda, which will help to neutralize smell and to make it work.
I mean, it also helps to save some water, right? I know don't need to go showering again the next week.
If you're in home office, probably you just can dry yourself, I guess.
Yeah, because if you've made a mess now, making the deodorant, now you can clean it up afterwards. So we're gonna make it cleaner. You need 400 milliliters of water for that, and the citric acid, and a little bit of dish detergent, which you hopefully have at home, because we didn't send that. So if you have it ready in front of you, you can just, I have a container for the water, then you just put all the other ingredients in it. You need 2 tablespoons of citric acid. That's in one of your paper bags we sent you. And I suggest to use, to put the citric acid in first because it's a dry ingredient, and afterwards you need the dish detergent, 1 tablespoon of that one. And then you just stir a little bit and mix all of it together, and then you're basically done.
And this is like cleaner for what? For everything? For kitchen, for bathroom, or for everything?
You can basically use it for everything, yeah.
Yeah, you just have to be careful if you have marble or something in the bathroom. I saw Kevin already smells it's cleaner. So if you want to add a nice smell, you can also add some essential oil to it. Then cleaning will make more fun as well.
And yeah, if you want to buy more of it, you can basically, the citric acid you find in almost every convenience store or supermarket. So it's easy to buy as well.
Do you have any questions regarding those 2 things we just made?
So you are using it personally, you are using it as well, right? These 2 products. So how often do you do that?
So I use the deodorant every day.
I mean,
Surprise!
what kind of sizes do you do? I mean, if you do the deodorant, now we just did a little bit, but I think that you can use it definitely for some month. But how often in the year do you create them?
It depends, like the cleaner depends on how much I'm cleaning and how much I'm at home. So I would say maybe once a month or something like that, but it's really fast. So most of the time I just have the ingredients at home. And the deodorant maybe every 2 to 3 months, I would say.